Able Planet Audio has taken on the ambitious mission to help people hear better. To accomplish this goal, the company has developed a long list of patented digital sound processing (DSP) technologies which it employs in everything from hearing aids to gaming headsets. And it must be doing something right, as it boasts an armful of CES Innovation Awards for its efforts. The light plastic that makes up the majority of the frame lacks solidity, and the faux leather padding doesn't provide a luxury experience. Still, many of us have U2026 U2026 smartphones for that kind of thing. And at $350, the Clear Harmony sits in some mighty company in the noise-canceling world. Priced well above many solid offerings, we had to wonder, could the NC1050 dim the din that well? Here's what we found. Deboxing the Clear Harmony was a bit like opening a Russian nesting doll. Within the first box was another box, which opened to reveal yet another box. This one a hard-shell vinyl traveling case. Inside the case, we found the all-black headphones with carbon fiber accents, a look we find strikingly similar to. As we removed them, our initial impression was that they were surprisingly light, almost too light. Inside the case we also found a removable headphone cable with a volume control, XBC and airplane adapters, and a pair of AAA batteries. We have to give props to Able Planet here for designing a carrying case that not only has enough room to house the headphones, but includes molded pieces, so there is absolutely no question about how the NC1020 should fit in. A rare find for some odd reason. Our first impression of the NC1050 was that the build quality has a budget feel to it. The light plastic that makes up the majority of the frame lacks solidity, and the faux leather padding doesn't provide a luxury experience. After a thorough kick of the tires, we were left hoping the lion's share of the cost went to including quality components under the hood. The NC1050's rotatable ear cups have thin plastic plates on the exterior, slotted at the top for small noise cancellation microphones. The plate on the left ear cup pops off for access to the batteries, giving a closer look at where ambient sound is drawn into the system. Also on the left ear cup is a power switch.